Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Soul is Life. Today we'll be working on a flare top. So this is the pattern that I'll be working with. It's actually two pieces. This one is the front. I'm only showing you one piece, but the front and back is the same way. So this is the front, and there's the same exact thing as the back. Also, it's gonna be a liner piece placed there, which I'm going to flat stitch down and serge the ends. This is the strap. There'll be a strap on both sides, but the other strap is different, so we're going to work on that after. So this is just a regular 1-inch strap that you fold, double fold, and I'm gonna just flat stitch all the way down. And when I'm done doing this, I'm gonna remove this pin. I'm gonna place this right here under this. I'm gonna place it in there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and stitch all the way down, and I'm gonna do that on both pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead now, stitch everything all the way down and do the same to the back piece also, and then I'll be back to show you what we're going to be working on next. This is what the top looks like once I've stitched the liner on. I put one strap on the side. I placed 2 dots on the side bust. This is the back area, exactly like the front without the darts. Keep in mind, when you do put the dots in, it's gonna bring this up a little shorter. So that's why you see the unevenness. So now I'm gonna work on, this is the flap that goes over the other shoulder. This is the strap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna serge the ends, and I'm also have to put a liner here, and then after I've done that, it's gonna be like this. So let me show you one side. So this is how it's gonna look once it's on the top. So I'm gonna go ahead now and serge and hem this. Serge and hem this also, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, here I am back with the top. I place the flare shoulder strap on, so it's just a half a circle or full circle, whichever one you choose depending on the wideness. You cut it out, and then you just stitch it down to the top on both sides, front and back, with leaving the measurement as the same as the measurement for the strap. Also, I made 1.5 inch hem, fold it in, flat stitch it down, and I placed a elastic band on the waist. The band size depends on your preference. And here we have the finished top with the straps, the underbust darts, side darts, 1.5 inch elastics, and the flare strap. And you finish the project. This project is a quick, simple project for beginners that's learning to use pattern. Since you've just done the basic block pattern, it's an easy project to do right after you've sketch your block pattern, so you know using this, you know how to do the dots, you know how to do the side cutting, the side sewing, you know how much allowances to leave, and it shows you what your top is going to look like. So you have an idea what you want to tweak and what you want to change with your basic block pattern. So thanks again for watching my video, and see you again on my other one.